Hey, my name is Martin, and welcome to my card course. Super happy to see that you want to learn more about card, and I've been putting a lot of time and effort into, first of all, just learning how a card works, and second of all, to create this course. So I hope it will be able to bring you the most value possible. So in this video, I just want to go over a few points before we actually start with the course itself. And it's super important that you listen through this whole video because it will give you a better understanding of how everything works and what you need to think about when you're watching the other videos. Okay, so first of all, what we will do in this course is that we will create a new site in Card from scratch. From just a blank canvas, we will create a new site. And we are doing this because I'm just a big believer in actually doing stuff instead of just theorizing about it. So the site that I'm creating in this course is this one here. And I will link this down below in the description. But what this is just a very simple and normal website that you can find everywhere online in terms of the structure and the layout and stuff like that. This is the home page, and then we have an about page. Then we have a services page. And also a get quote or like a contact page. So that's what we have there. And that's what you will watch me create. And the structure behind this course is that I have basically created a video for every single section on this site. So I've created one video on how to create the nav bar. I've created one video on how to create the hero section here. And then one video about this, one video about this, etc., etc. So everything is super simple for you to go and look over. You will be able to jump back if you want to look at how I created that footer. You want to look back and because you want to find something new about it or you just want to see it again. It's super simple for you to find it, and it's very well structured like that. So that's one thing that is very good. And now we come to, I don't know how to call this, but I don't see this course so much as a normal course that you just consume. I want you to actually build something from this. I want you to look at it more as a workshop. So the whole idea behind this is that you will be able to see me over the shoulder when I'm building this site. But you shouldn't just consume all this. I want you to also build something into your own card project, or that you just start a new project from scratch, you also. But one important note, maybe the most important with this whole thing, is that you shouldn't just copy exactly what I'm doing. What you will see is that I will create this nav bar, for example, but don't just copy exactly what I'm doing. Make this fit your own project, or just try it out if you don't have a project right now and you just want to learn how to design a card. Create something new and just play around with it. The idea behind this is not for you to just copy everything, but from seeing me how I create all this stuff, maybe you will be able to learn something about the layout or how I'm thinking about these buttons. How do I position them to the right, for example? So that's the most important thing. You should follow along with this and actually create something of your own. The best would be if you start a new website from scratch, or if you just implement some of these things into card projects that you already have. Okay, and then we come to this point. You will be able to go at this in your own pace. And that's the nice thing with videos and having a screencast just like this. You will be able to see exactly what I'm pressing and where my mouse goes and stuff like this. So if there is something that you don't understand, you can always go back and look at it again. And for some of you, I might go through all of this very quickly. It might seem that I'm going through everything like very quickly, but I'm just working in my pace. And you will then later on, you can even slow down the video or just jump back in the video if you feel like it's going too fast. But I'm hoping that it's a good enough pace that it will suit many of you. And then the last point is support. I've created all this here and I'm renting it out, this whole course, for free. So If you want me to keep on producing more materials about how to create card websites and how to use other tools also, then I would be super happy if you just pressed my referral link down below. Or if you are going to upgrade your card account, you can also use my code, which is DRAC, which is spelled just like this. You can just use my code DRAC like this, and it just gives me a small commission. And it's just, if I can get some support from all of these courses and all the material that I'm putting out, I will keep on putting out more material, and it just also will help me help more people. Okay, so I think that that's it. Just as a summary, you will be able to see me over the shoulder when I'm creating this website, but don't just copy everything that I'm doing. But you should build something, but build it in your own style. Maybe you will change the fonts, the colors, because you don't like the colors that I'm using. Maybe here you will have a form instead of here, or a buy button. I don't know. But you will be able to learn very well how to structure a whole site, how I work in card, how to get it mobile responsive, and all of these things. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the course. Bye-bye.